Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You'll start by connecting the primary Google Wi-Fi to your modem so devices can get an IP address. First, power off the modem, attach the Ethernet cable from modem to the WAN port on the Google Wi-Fi, then plug both devices into power and wait for the modem to fully boot. Once done, open the Google Home app on your phone with Bluetooth and location on. The app detects the unit and prompts pairing. This step gets a network backbone in place before configuration. You'll follow the app prompts to finish setup and understand why each choice matters. After pairing, scan the QR code or accept manual setup, then name your network and create a password. This identifies your mesh and secures traffic. Choose automatic band steering so devices use 2, 4 or 5 GHz as appropriate. If you have extra Wi-Fi points, add them now, place each where signal drops, and use the app's placement test to ensure seamless handoff across the mesh. You'll finish by validating the entire system and making it usable for everyone. Run the built-in network test in Google Home to verify internet reach and relative speeds, then assign device priorities, enable parental controls, or create a guest network as needed. Make sure firmware updates complete. Those patches improve stability and security. If you encounter connectivity problems, power cycle the modem and primary Google Wi-Fi, confirm Ethernet wiring, and rerun the app setup. This resolves most common issues quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.